Is your phone showing full bars, but your internet still feels painfully slow? Or worse, does your signal keep dropping exactly when you need it most? In this video, I'm going to show you 5 simple ways to fix bad mobile signal and improve your 4G or 5G speed. Start with the easiest one first, because one of these fixes can work in seconds. Before you think your phone is broken, or that you need a new plan right away, try these methods in order. In many cases, the problem is not your phone itself. It could be the connection, interference, your location, or even your network provider. The quickest thing to try is airplane mode. Turn it on, wait about 10 to 15 seconds, and then turn it off again. This forces your phone to disconnect and reconnect to the nearest mobile mast. In many cases, that's enough to push your phone onto a stronger or cleaner signal. If that does not work, restart your phone completely. A full restart can clear temporary connection glitches and help the device reconnect more properly. If that helped, great. If not, the next problem may be something around you, not inside your phone. Sometimes bad signal only happens in one room, one corner of the house, or one specific building. That can happen because of interference. Wi-Fi routers, baby monitors, cordless devices, thick walls, metal structures, and even the layout of the building can affect mobile performance. In some places, 5G is especially sensitive to obstacles. Try moving a few steps closer to a window. If your signal improves, that tells you the issue may be the environment, not the phone. You can also test by turning off nearby devices one by one to see whether the connection gets better. If you can't change the location, there is another very useful backup option. If your mobile signal is weak, but your internet connection is good, Wi-Fi calling can be a lifesaver. This lets your phone place calls and sometimes send texts using your Wi-Fi instead of relying only on the mobile mast. It is especially useful indoors, in areas with poor coverage, or inside buildings with thick walls. Check your phone settings and see whether Wi-Fi calling is available and switched on. If your network supports it, this can make a huge difference. And if you still need a backup for messages or calls, apps like WhatsApp, Telegram, or similar internet-based apps can help keep you connected. Now, if the signal is still weak in your area, the problem may not be your phone at all. It could be your network. Not every mobile network performs the same in every location. A network that works perfectly in one town might be weak in another. That is why it is smart to check coverage in the places that matter most to you: your home, your workplace, and the areas where you travel regularly. Use the coverage checker on each provider's website and compare the results. In the UK, the major networks are EE, O2, Vodafone, and 3. Smaller providers often use one of these networks, so checking the main networks first is usually the best place to start. If one network gives you much better coverage where you actually live and work, switching can be a game changer. If you have tried everything and the signal is still frustrating, there is one more option, but it should usually be your last step. A signal booster can help improve coverage inside your home or property by capturing an existing signal from outside and rebroadcasting it indoors. These devices often work best when placed near a window or in a spot where the outside signal is stronger. Then they spread that improved signal to the weaker areas inside. But here's the important part. Boosters can be expensive, so they are usually worth considering only after you have already tested the simpler fixes. For many people, the earlier steps solve the problem without needing to spend money. So here is the simple order to remember. First, reset the connection. Second, remove interference. Third, use Wi-Fi calling. Fourth, compare mobile networks. And finally, consider a signal booster if nothing else works. That order matters because it saves time, money, and frustration. Bad mobile signal can be annoying, but in many cases, it is fixable. The key is not to guess. It is to test one solution at a time until you find the one that works in your area. If you are thinking about changing providers, compare coverage carefully before you switch. The best network is not always the one with the biggest name. It is the one that actually works where you live, work, and travel. Try these steps today, And you may be surprised how much better your 4G or 5G connection becomes.